Day one began in a place where almost nothing could survive. Far beyond the nearest village, a vast stretch of orange desert baked under the scorching sun. Local people believed this land had been barren for more than 1,000 years. The sand was dry, the air was hot. Even small weeds struggled to grow here. But a small team of farmers arrived with an unusual dream. They wanted to grow giant durians in one of the harshest environments on Earth. First, they marked long, straight lines across the empty sand. Then they started digging deep trenches. The work was slow and exhausting. Truckloads of rich black soil were brought into the desert and carefully poured into every trench. After that, black drip irrigation pipes were installed beneath the soil to deliver water directly to future roots. As the sun began to set, the barren desert looked completely different. The first foundation for an impossible durian farm was finally in place.
The moisture levels here look promising.
Yes, but we must protect the root ball from the sun during planting.
These young trees are adapting well to the sand.
Yes, but we must monitor the irrigation closely in this heat.
This cluster is developing faster than expected.
Good. The nutrient levels seem optimized for this section. Look at the size of this one. It feels heavy. Yes, we must begin harvesting at dawn before the heat returns.
Lower it slowly now. Watch the right side. Steady, steady.
Careful with that one, it's huge. Bring it over here, we have space.
Here, in the heart of the Sahara, the legendary golden fruit is finally ready for harvest. Look at the size of this one.
It is truly a gift from the heavens.
Yeah. We never thought this was possible here. Look at the size of this one.
It is truly a gift from the heavens.
Yeah. We never thought this was possible here.